Good morning, people. It is 9:07 and we're here at the park. Sorry I said an hour. I will meet you guys in an hour, but that'll be edited off. But anyway, we are at the park right now, bright and early. It is nice. It is a beautiful day here in Florida. It's nice and breezy, and I hope it stays like this all day. So we're going to Universal Studios so that we can try the escape the Gringotts again, because it broke down yesterday, and we are heading right now. Don't wait for me. Here I am. Hey y'all. We're experiencing some difficulties getting in. We were in lines for an hour, but now that we're in, toss that aside, it's time to go to Gringotts. We are back at Diagon Alley. So that dragon doing the single ride, because 45 minutes is not worth the wait. The goblins.
The only thing about it is you don't get to see all the stuff.
Yeah.
But we did that thing out, we did that yesterday, so.
I forgot it's 3D. It says cart goggles. They ain't got none.
Don't look like it.
Ladies and
Wonder if they got
gentlemen,
some up front.
A wild cart ride awaits you. Be warned, it is not for everyone.
I need a real camera. This is my phone. So we just got off the Gringotts ride, and it was awesome. It was real cool. I told my mother I wanted to go again, but anyway, we have to search for the entire crew. You know, they have to start without us because of the difficulties we had this morning. So we're gonna continue onward. We might get on the train so that we can go to the castle and ride some rides there, and I will get right back to you.
They had a backpack.
Oh, you can't go in there with a bag.
Trying to sit on the ride with the backpack and they wouldn't let her do it.
I had my earbuds on. I had to put it up.
Yeah, that's the frozen one. It's the frozen butterbean. That's supposed to be like this shit. It's like butter.
They like butter.
Like butterscotch.
Go get on a train.
Yeah, let's go. Onward.
It's getting dark out there.
Let's find a compartment.
Do you use a snack? Where's the food tray? Molly, can't you conjure up some pumpkin pasties?
Wrong. Food is the first of the 5 principal exceptions to Gamp's law of elemental transfiguration.
We are off the train on our way to the castle. I was asking you, but she doesn't want to ride with me. She don't want to ride with me, y'all.
We're gonna take her on there. Look, Faye.
Stupefy. Shepherd lemon.
Bullshit. That's how full of us the third. Because like that's in the first year, we came in third.
Love the talking pictures.
Always
Babe,
mothers doing that.
come here, baby.
Oh, you're here! Yay!
I was looking for your wife. Girl, it was like, I don't know why they separated us like that. Tony was scared to come through. That's why you let the party go on.
Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna upgrade to a real camera I won't say real soon, but soon. I need a real camera. No, it's not.
There's a lot of them moving. Look, okay.
Yeah, she should have got our printable. That's the same thing.
Yeah.
It's literally the same thing.
Where our picture at? Where our picture at?
I couldn't do the spider show, man.
That's the book, y'all. Danger. Book may bite. This is real cute. Leaving Hogwarts. I'm going to my favoriteest place in the world. Jurassic Park.
That's where we're going to Discovery.
Ooh. Yeah, and I might do more in there because they got stuff downstairs. Like dinosaur eggs and stuff.
I think that's what we ate last time, didn't we? Did we come to the Discovery and ate last time?
I think this is it.
They got Burger King.
Yeah. Well, they have different, food.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy me a Jurassic World shirt this time. Bingo! At the food court because we're hungry. And we're at the Discovery Center. Oh, okay. All the Discovery stuff is downstairs. I'm gonna take myself on down to the Discovery Center. There's a dinosaur. Ooh, there go the dinosaur eggs. How to operate a pre-emergent nursery scanner. Okay. That's cool.
The Eoraptor, one of Earth's earliest dinosaurs. When was this primitive critter first born? Players, press any one of your buttons the nanosecond you think the display reaches Ellie's original date of birth. All guesses are in. So, when was Ellie born? 228 million years ago! That's more than triple the time-separating primeval T-Rex from you players out there.
Okay.
Dino Bill scores with the closest guess.
He won. Dinosaurs. Now that's a Brachiosaurus. Awesome. Oh, what's that? Look through there, and it's like you're looking at what the Brachiosaurus is looking at. It's looking at upstairs. Okay. Yeah, that was real cool. Huh? That's what it looked. That's what it looked like. Take a look. Oh, you too? Out of order. Oh, can you look in that one? I looked through this one, and you are looking at this guy. Real awesome. Now I'm gonna go look around some more, and once I'm done, I'm gonna go upstairs and eat. Awesome. The boys are not in here with me.
Ever wonder what you look like as a dinosaur? Just press the flashing button to find out.
What the what?
Prepare to kiss the old you goodbye.
Kiss the old me goodbye.
Step 1. Look to the screen below. Imagine you're already a dinosaur and tell me, are you a carnivore or a herbivore?
I'm a herbivore.
Are you armored or camouflage?
I want to be camouflaged.
Press the matching button to answer. Are you large or small?
I'm small.
And finally, are you a loner or a herder? Press the matching button to answer.
Much rather be in a herd.
Good. With this information, we can begin searching for your ideal dino DNA donor. Check out the panel below me for step 2. And there he is. Your physical and mental profile makes you perfectly compatible with this small, camouflaged herder. So now the only thing left to do is step 3.
Okay.
Where we'll actually sample your DNA.
How?
Place your right hand on the blue handbrake.
Okay.
Where a microscopic quantity of your genes will be painlessly captured.
Ooh.
Swell. And that wasn't even painful, was it?
Nope.
Now, let's take a look at what you're made of. All those numbers zipping by are the very building blocks of life. Your life, to be exact. Imagine, soon you and your dinosaur donor will be recombined into a living creation, such as the world has never seen before.
I am really...
Oh, with those sad, dark eyes and melancholy grin, this humble, herdy herbivore has a face any mother could love.
Really? That was real cool. I mean, the dinosaur, I looked a little bit, but that was really cool. I mean, they test your DNA, they scan your hand. It was a little puff of air when they scanned my hand, but it was awesome. That was really cool. We're on our way to Skull Island. Skull Island. Reign of Kong. Nothing in there. Yeah, I changed out of my old shirt and put this cute one on. Now onward to Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can.
Oh, is there no end to this madness?
No, we're back. You know when you see that kind of drama.
Yeah, cool.
Come here. You realize.
Yep. Where are the workers at? They should be working. Move, line, move. We are waiting for Tony and Alex on the Hulk ride, but we haven't seen a coaster come out of this thing in a while. Wonder what's going on. Wait, is that him? Yeah, it's been a while. Oh, they testing it.
Yeah.
Yep, they have to run tests after so many times they hit the track, so they done ran to a
They have to run so many tests.
Yeah. Yeah, no.
They run test mode after doing it so many times.
Yeah, that's no.
Why we sound up like, let's say.
That's no problem. All right, folks, we're about to hit the SAG. It is time to shut down. We had a wonderful time today, and it was better than yesterday. And I'm about to resume back tomorrow. I'm not for sure what I'm gonna do, but we'll see tomorrow. So, if by any chance have a little time to show you the house, then I will vlog about that before or after I leave here. So we only got one more day to have some fun, and then the next day we're on our way back to Memphis. So which that sucks because you know I love Florida. I do. I really, really do. So I will see you all tomorrow. See you guys later. Peace out. Toodles. Time to go to bed.